Mike Brown here with Inverse. Here we are on the rain-soaked streets of London, trying out the new Mate X electric bike. This is the successor to the previous Mate electric bike. So you do a half turn with the pedals and then you go on your way. You also have the throttle here. You'll get a boost as soon as you start pedaling. So yeah, very responsive, very easy to use and very easy to get started. This does over 40 kilometers an hour as top speed, but depending on local regulations, you're probably going to be wanting to limit it down with the screen here using these controls. So I'm on the third setting here. That takes us up to about 25 kilometers an hour, depending on the speed which you start pedaling, and yeah, very quick to get into action. You have to be, if you're not used to an electric bike, you have to be careful with this sort of thing because speed can kind of take you by surprise a little bit as you come around. Very good braking, very responsive, very fast on the gears. It's very impressive.
It's quite easy to fold it. You just do like this. Take the saddle down, open, and just fold it.